Hey everyone! If you're tired of fighting a losing battle against weeds on your pathways, or you're fed up with trekking half the allotment back home on your boots, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you how I woodchip my paths. It's a bit of effort up front, but believe me, it's well worth it. Step 1, and this is the most important, clear the weeds. You want a clean slate before you lay anything down. Once the weeds are gone, it's also the perfect time to level out the ground. A nice flat path makes life much easier, especially when you're pushing a heavy wheelbarrow later in the season. Next, we're using a thick layer of cardboard. This acts as a natural weed membrane, stopping any dormant seeds from coming through. Top tip: make sure to water the cardboard in as you go. This stops it from blowing away in the wind and helps it start breaking down into the soil. It's a simple step, but it saves a lot of frustration. Now, for the satisfying part, the wood chip. You want a layer about 2 to 3 inches deep. With all the rain we've been having lately, this is a lifesaver. No more muddy boots. But it's not just about staying clean. These wood chips act like a giant sponge, absorbing and storing water when it rains, which helps keep the surrounding beds hydrated. Over time, this wood will break down and turn into incredible compost. It's literally feeding the soil life worms. Fungi, they love it. It took me a long time to get all my paths done. But looking at it now, I know I won't have to worry about serious weeding here for years. It's an investment in the health of the plot and my own sanity. If you haven't tried wood chipping your pathways yet, I highly recommend it. It's sustainable, it's cheap, and your soil will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.